Give me good wine, I'll get you good whiskey. Let's get a house in the country. Give me good weed, I'll get you good coffee. Let's get old by the evergreen tree.
Let's get up, grab coffee cups and sit out on the porch. No traffic lights, the sunny skies chase a chill from the night before. We started this revival at the church of you and me. We left no room for the Holy Ghost and raised up a family tree.
Give me good wine, I'll get you good whiskey. Let's get a house in the country. Give me good weed, I'll get you good coffee. Let's get old by the evergreen trees.
Alarm clock every morning, working late each night.
For a simple place to lay our heads, rinse, repeat, that's right.
City life and big city lights are fading far from view.
Traded concrete cars at corner bars to be under the stars with you.
Give me good wine, I'll get you good whiskey. Let's get a house in the country. Give me good weed, I'll get you good coffee. Let's get old by the evergreen trees.
Got working roots, a chicken coop, and a place to start a fire.
We got the birds, the bees, a tall oak tree with a rope on an old truck tire.
20 miles and 2 stop signs between us and the closest town.
If you see fireworks from the road, there's a party, so come on down.